This is July 21st, 2020. I'm Murray Feller. I'm going to show what happens when water contacts the road, how it falls apart, how it's not hard. Here's the water. I'm going to move some of the loose material aside and pour some water on it. And with a little bit of movement, showing how easily the material moves away. No hardness. And this is why we got those depressions earlier. No binder, nothing holding the road together.